Osiyo, it's how we say hello in Cherokee. Today we visit an elder who teaches us how to make a traditional Cherokee dish. And we follow professional boxer Wes No Fire to Miami, Florida for his latest match. But first, Jerry Big Feather teaches us how fiddling came to the Cherokee Nation and how he hopes to inspire future generations of musicians.
So we walk, kilo tasna jackie no sela. Toto we dan, so here yik. Kilo, juena so yanit look yo. Nanska, dinitli yes, nika jane ha. Na hiyo jidana. Non, dinin hogistis, unit luts. Nahen jan land, dan blaskiska. En got so they had ten hicka and got stiska jadi, not the laskiska. Fiddling has been a part of the Cherokee culture for many years. Different immigrants that come into America, they introduced fiddling music to the Cherokees. Well, the music all blended together to form, what people used to refer to as mountain music in the Appalachians. And so then Cherokees came from the east down here to Oklahoma and brought some of the music with them. That was their form of entertainment, before days of electricity. And so they would have these square dances, they'd play all night.
The fiddle has it's got a unique sound, and there's something about the fiddle that it's a hard way to put it, but it kind of draws you.
I knew that was my thing whenever I first heard my dad play. And that's when I first began to put a fiddle in my hands.
The sound of the fiddle is just something in there, it grows on you. It's part of you. Whenever you play it, it strikes a note in yourself. Your whole being feels it.
I don't know what it is about the fiddle, but it draws people. And if people like music, like most, they'll like the fiddle.
Yeah, it's a good pastime. I'd recommend it to anyone to take up fiddle or a guitar and just learn to play music.
I started playing fiddle when I was about 7 years old. My father would put this up on the attic, hide it, but I would get it out, play it.
The biggest thing I get out of these is just jamming with people, playing music over in the corner, and pretty soon you got 3 or 4 or 5 people, and here comes some more. Pretty soon you got a whole circle of people, and we're, making some pretty good music sometimes. I'm the coordinator of Cherokee Nation National Holiday Fiddlers Contest. This year we had a pretty good crowd. I think we had about around 20 this year, which is quite a few. And we had probably the largest crowd of the fans that came as well, the listeners. It was a big event this year. When I'd go to fiddle contests or music festivals, and I'd usually have this fiddle with me, I'd ask him for an autograph. Our dad was a fiddle player and a guitar player, and also our grandpa. They both played fiddle. I guess it kind of runs in the family. Actually, our dad played guitar. We had a guitar around the house all the time. I didn't know he played fiddle until after he had passed away.
He was a World War II. He was a World War II veteran, and he farmed. And so the first 3 kids came along. Well, he had some time, I guess. And then the next 3 came along, and that's probably about the time that he had to quit playing, because he was pretty busy by then. He farmed with a team of mules. And but we always had a guitar laying around. And I remember him late in the evening, sitting on the porch and he'd be playing. And that's my memories of nice job. Great memories.
Let's open them up and let's look at them, okay?
Okay, there's yours, Cross. Can you show us how you open
I hope that the grandkids take it up because they seem to be interested at this point, and they like fiddling around. Of course, their arms and fingers are a little too short, you know, to really make good clear notes. But you know, in time, kids will grow, and hopefully that they'll pick up on it.
I've always loved music. I've always loved the people that played music. And that's Cherokee Fiddling. That's what it means to me, is to be around other Cherokee fiddlers.
Yeah, I told someone not long ago, I said, all those old timers are gone, you know, there's nobody to play with. So he looked at me and he said, I guess y'all are the old timers now. So I said, well, you're probably right.